Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix EA Sports FC 26 error. This software cannot be used at this time because of the game interception is having, and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into this step. So you can just go over here on the EA Sports and you can play the game, and as well as it is available on the Steam, you can pre-purchase it on the Steam. We can pre-purchase it right now, which I did, where you can play the game. So if you're having the trouble with this one, this is what you have to do. So one of the reasons why you're having is because of the interception file that is installed on a system while we are installing any kind of new drivers. So if it is already there in the C drive, for example, if we go over here on the file explorer, this PC, local disk C, you can see I'm having an install interception file because that is installed already there. So we need to do the following. That is, we have to go over here, search for CMD, click on run as administrator, and we have to go for yes. Now we need to just go to the over here. First we need to copy this particular file here. Copy this. Now we need to paste it. Go for yes. Copy this. Sorry, there was a mistake. Let me do it once again. My keyboard was stuck. Go for yes. Paste this particular command. Now press enter. Now as you can see, it is successfully installed. Now we need to restart the PC. So to restart, you can just go over in the start, click on the power icon, do a restart. After the restart is successfully done, you can just copy this particular command as well. Now go back here and you have to paste it. Now press enter. It says interception uninstalled and you have to do a restart once again. So once done, we can check with the game, and parallelly, if you're having any kind of applications like daemon tool, for example, in the task manager, just go over here. If daemon tools is running in the task manager or DS4, any kind of application is running in the background, you can see daemon tools is running. So right click on this one, go for end the task, that is not needed. And moreover, you can just go over here, search device manager, click on the device manager, expand this. Now you can see the storage controller, we have daemon tools like virtual SSS bus. Right click on this one. You need to either, if you have uninstall option, just uninstall it. And that is very important. You have to expand this and right click on the daemon tools and you have to uninstall the device. Then you have to close this and you have to check. Next one, if you're having any third-party apps like wallpaper engine, codec, etc., you need to uninstall them as well. And this is the one of the solution will work for you guys. That's it. Bye.